I need to shave, don't I? It's been a long day. I've been pet sitting bunnies for a friend and running back and forth, and which it gives me an excuse to ride the motorcycle. But at least I have a dog yapping at me. That's Baja the Wonder Dog, the official co-host of Griddle Porn. And she says, throw the ball. So sometimes on a long day, you just throw something on the griddle and hope it works. Today, and it always works, it's a griddle. It's a Blackstone, by golly. Today's experiment is applewood smoke flavor turkey breast tenderloins. And they're already seasoned. I ain't got to do nothing but throw them on there. Okay, here we go. Supposed to be 2 in the package. Sure, there's a lot of juice in there. Ooh, slimy. They're slimy. They smell good. So, let's check it out. Other than the slime, it's looking good. It's smelling good. I got some cleanup to do. Yeah. Gonna cover them with the party hat. Gonna actually stick just a little Earl under there to help steam. That helps them cook. Let's see what happens, y'all. Alright, it's only been a couple minutes. I'm 1 notch above low, which is about medium. You see, we're getting a good cook already. Look at that. Getting a good sear. Pretty nice. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? Say no more. Nudge, nudge. Wink, wink. There we go. Keep it cooking. Make sure it's moist. And see how it goes. Okay, time for another look. I'm using my phone to film, so I don't know the elapsed time. Suppose I could get one of my old phones or a timer or something to give you a better idea of how long it takes. But that's subjective. It depends on your altitude, your moisture level, the wind, how high you have the thing set. And this is set pretty low because low is medium here, medium's high, and I don't want to get it too high. But anyway, it's been total maybe 10 minutes. I'm sure we got a long way to go. Poultry should be 165. We're 105, 100. So we do got a ways to go. But we're getting there. It's really tender already. So for something, a cheap, easy meal, I think it's going to be great. My other option was to stick it in the Emerald. I've been calling it the Emerald Foodie. It's pressure cooker and air fryer, just like the Ninja Foodie, and it does great. But I haven't griddled in a couple days, so it's time to griddle. And I'm going to be hustling and bustling and house sitting next week. Or the week after, I can't remember. I think next week. But my friend has a electric Blackstone I can't wait to try. So that will be featured while I'm house sitting. Anyway, in the meantime, sit there and watch things under a cap. Under a lid. No, you don't have to sit there. We'll be back. Looky there. We got us some turkey breast tenderloins. Applewood smoked. They are ready. This piece is taking a couple minutes longer than that piece, but they're both to chef's temperature. And the elapsed time's been 20-25 minutes, something like that probably. It's a hot day, so I didn't have to heat up the house or stink up the house. And everything's better on the griddle. We all know that. So, that's it for today, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, subscribing, sharing, constructive comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you again next time. Same bat time, same bat channel. You kids are probably too young to remember that. Never mind. We'll see you next time anyway. Bye!